Okay, made it to Caxambas Marina. Here we are. Caxambas Park and Boat Ramp. They're closed, so guess where I'm sleeping tonight? I'm tying up right here, and that's where I'm gonna sleep tonight. There she is, a little thingamajang. Looks like a little freaking dinghy from here. So you can imagine what that thing looks like out there on the coast. Probably looks like a little fly. So here's the marina. They closed at 5. Somebody took me to the gas station to get some fuel for the generator, and I left my money on the boat. And so I had to borrow $2 from a guy who takes me to the gas station. Felt like such a freaking idiot. I felt like a hobo that lives on a sailboat that doesn't even have $2. Oh well. I'm gonna walk to the restaurant now. Go drink some beers. I think it's deserved. Haven't had any alcohol yet. So